Hello, my name is Charles Rufino, and I am a Long Island tradesman. Violin making, since I've been a young man, has been an endlessly fascinating and challenging job. I was brought to where I am today partly through the grace of God. I went to school in England to learn how to make violins. What I remember was torture, but I would not quit. My life's fascination has not only been how do these things look, but how do you get the sound? Constant learning and refining a simple recipe is very enjoyable and rewarding work. This is a solitary private job. 200,000 cuts later, you have a violin. And that's what I've been doing for 45 years. I've been thinking about how to make better instruments. Just like Colonel Sanders has his secret recipe, that's what it is with the violin. I'm an artistic craftsman or artistic tradesman. I've always got a way to make a living. When I'm ready to close up an instrument, I write in Latin, ad maiorem de gloriam, to the greater glory of God. If everything goes sideways, I can always just go back to what I was doing before, fixing fiddles.